The Strokes tool, which is actually rather self-explanatory, allows you to create splines with the stroke of a stylus. Now there are a number of types of strokes you can create. You can create an unclosed spline here, which you can further tweak by holding your cursor over the points of a spline, and with the left mouse button you can tweak the points of that spline. And with that spline selected, you can also hit delete or the delete key on your keyboard to delete a specific spline. Now another is a closed spline. Let's, for instance, draw a closed spline on the inside of the silhouette of this object, and you'll see its color has changed from green to orange. That indicates that it's a closed spline. You can also, of course, further tweak the points of this spline here. We'll leave that one for now. And then lastly, you can create another type of closed spline. This one's done by drawing from the outside of a silhouette of your current object you wish to retopologize. With the left mouse button, click and hold, and then draw from one side of the silhouette to the other, or encompassing the whole object, if you will. And you'll see here, when we rotate the view, that we have a closed spline, and it's going entirely around the object. You can clear out all of these retopologization strokes with the clear button here. You can also smooth them with the smooth button. And one handy thing to note here with this tool, and let's change to orthographic mode to demonstrate it. If we create a bunch of strokes here, and something like this should work. Now we have all of these closed circles here. Well, what if we want to simply and quickly create some kind of spline patching here? If we create a perpendicular stroke to these previous strokes, and we take note of the setting up here, number of segments, that will set the number of spline patch segments. So for instance, if we hit enter with number 12, it will create 12 spline patches around that area. If we hit undo, of course, let's change this to 24, something like that. And now we have 24 segments. So this tool is actually quite handy for cylindrical objects like arms, legs, tails, and so on.